wanted to deal with another strategy with momentum waves. Or I wouldn't say strategy, but I would just highlight on how momentum wave works again with different time frames. How momentum wave works on different time frames, and one thing you also need to have to realize about momentum waves and waves in general. All of these waves highlighted earlier on, all of these waves, the momentum, the green wave, and the VWAP, all of them tend to oscillate up and down in different time zones. And a typical example is we have what we call the overbought territories. And the momentum wave is a typical oscillator that deals with the overbought territories. We have this line that divides or that specifies the 60 line that specifies the direction of price or the overbought territories. In other words, when price reaches a point where it needs to find equilibrium, this 60 line literally tells you that now we've reached a point where the price of an asset is not really reflecting its true value. It has been overbought, so hence it needs correction. Correction in the sense that we have to correct, or the market is going to correct the price. So this 60 line is a typical line that highlights the correction. So in every market there's always a correction. That's why you could see a massive uptrend, then you could see a spike downwards. So this 60 line literally gives you an indication of the overbought regions. In other words, anytime we head towards these regions or above the 60 line, there is going to be a significant drop. And momentum wave is that wave that literally deals with overbought. So for every uptrend, like I said, if momentum wave moves up, and it crosses that 60 line, you do have to realize that it's not going to move again or beyond. It stays there, then it corrects itself, meaning it's coming downwards. Anytime there is an overbought, price tends to correct itself. So you can realize the momentum fell hugely downwards. Boom. But what happened here was momentum moved, but it couldn't cross the the 60 line, the overbought territories. So meaning there was still juice, there was still momentum. It came downwards, pumped hugely, crossed the 60 line, price went upwards. Because price went upwards because there was also liquid money in the assets in the positive regions, and VWAP also surged upwards. So you could see three most influential oscillators heading upwards, and price went upwards hugely, remarkably. And it's a very nice trading. If you entered along here, you would have rose probably from this side 37 way to 45. This is a massive spike, and market Cipher literally gives you a vivid or a visual representation or a visual overview of how price responds to these oscillators. Again, it's all about direction, finding the perfect direction, finding the, I wouldn't say perfect is relative, because what is perfect to you could not be perfect to somebody. So I'm just saying finding the ultimate direction using these oscillators or waves. Having majority of them in the positive means price rises, and having majority of them in the negative means price falls. So evidently these are basic strategies, and I do have a course as in a pipeline. I always say, it literally deals with every element of market cipher and how trading works, different strategies, and like I said, trading with market cipher is very simplified, and all you have to do is just spend time and understand how the scripts work. And I'm the guy for you. I have time to literally delve into every strategies that you need to know in scalping and in swinging. How do you profit with market cipher, and how market cipher simplifies trading. And like I said, trading has always been easy using market cipher. So until then, have a nice time, people. Peace.